Hey guys, it's Valerie with Vegan Travel Eats. I wanted to try out this whole vlogging thing. I know it's not a new thing, but for me, it's new. So I wanted to take you around on my day today. I'm doing some exciting stuff. I'm going to a new totally vegan French bakery that's opening up here, and I am beyond excited. It's actually pretty close to my house, so it's gonna be pretty dangerous, and I'm really excited to try everything. They have like baked goods and also a bunch of savory stuff and salads and quiches and croissants, which I mean, I don't even remember the last time I had like a good vegan croissant, like not a crescent roll, a croissant. When someone has a croissant on the menu and a crescent roll comes out, it makes me very upset. So these look amazing though, so I'm very excited. I'll take you guys there. But for now, I just woke up and I am having my usual green juice kind of thing from Amazing Grass, and I'm gonna get ready and get going. So I'll see you in a sec. To go to the bakery opening, but I do have to put my pups away first. My big guy has really bad separation anxiety, so I put him in this cage. He loves it. And I fill up these Kongs with peanut butter, and he just chews on that and hangs out until we get back. So here we go. You see? Yeah. This guy, just because I don't want him to feel left out. My room is a mess, always. After lots of picture taking, I am ready to eat. I'm very excited. We've got the guava and cheese pastry, and then a pain au chocolat, which I already took a bite of for the picture. I mean, I have to do crazy things to get the content. So let's try this guava and cheese pastry. This is incredible. Oh my god. It's so crispy and flaky. I mean, you guys heard that crunch, I hope. It's so good. And you've got the guava. Guava is like a very Miami thing, very like Latin culture. It's like, I don't even know how to explain it, but it's so good. It's so sweet and fruity, and I hope you guys can get a hold of some where you are. Or if you're in Miami, you definitely need to come to L'Artisan Bakery. And then the cheese gives it this really nice, obviously like savory component, so it's not like all this sweetness. This stuff is so good, so crispy, and then the pain au chocolat is so good too. Look at those layers. That's what a croissant should look like. So I wanted to try something savory. So I got their chicken salad. They use Atlas meat-free chicken, which is a local like meatless deli here. So I'm gonna try it. Oh yeah, that's good. It's so delicious. Everything has been so good. I want to try everything. I really do. I want to just eat my way through this entire menu. So I'm going to do that. Maybe not today. Maybe not tomorrow, but very soon. I will have tried everything on this menu. This is a little sample of the quiche. It looks delicious. My consensus is that if you ever want to find me when I'm in Miami, it will be here. This will be my new office, that table right there. I will live there. I will also be probably 100 pounds heavier than I look right now, but it's gonna be so worth it because everything was so incredibly delicious. You guys have to make it here when you're in Miami. They've got a whole menu, which I'm gonna show you. So yeah, I mean, this is a must. It's so good. I'm so excited they're here. Congratulations to the extremely talented chef and baker, not chef, baker, that opened this up. And come support, guys, because this is the kind of stuff we need to move the vegan movement forward, and we need to support these kind of places. So get here. So Jackie is a new mom, but she's also a vegan a blogger. She used to be vegan, not anymore. And this is her crazy daughter, Zoe. And that's what the little munchkin's gonna grow up like. Oh, jeez. So we left our friend's place, and now we are headed to Whole Foods to grab a few things that we need for the house. So I'll let you know what I get. So we're prepping to be home for the rest of the day, and my husband gets nervous about having food available. So we just came to Iron Sushi and ordered a bunch of veggie rolls and some edamame shumai and stuff like that, just to have at the house for snacks for later. So we're waiting for that now, and then we're gonna head home and I'm gonna make something really delicious, so stay tuned. This is what we got from Iron Sushi. This is their veggie roll. It has like squash and cucumber, an avocado, and looks like some lettuce, and then an avocado hand roll and a cucumber ball. And we got actually 2 of these, but the other one is gone already. So if you follow my Instagram stories, you saw that I got a beautiful care package from Beyond Meat. And I wanted to make something delicious with it. So today I am going to make, I know I like kind of talked shit about Crescent Rolls earlier. I don't have a problem with Crescent Rolls. It's just that you can't call them croissants. They are 2 very different things. So I'm going to make sausage Crescent Rolls with the new Beyond Meat sausage and some pesto that I got from Trader Joe's and some Miyoko's mozzarella. And who knows what else is gonna make it in there, but for now the plan is sausage, vegan mozzarella, and pesto. Ready? Look how pretty these sausages are. This is crazy. Like, I'm amazed. I mean, I shouldn't be surprised because their burgers are so good and their chicken is too, but This stuff is, I mean, this is crazy how good these look. So the Crescent Rolls make 8 Crescent Rolls. So I'm just gonna cut these up, each up into 4 to put better to cut it up a little more so it gets a nice sear on all of them, but look at the sausage, guys. This is crazy stuff. It literally looks and tastes, my fingers like smell like, everything smells like sausage. It's so awesome. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw this in the pan. Clean them up a little bit. Oh my god, I wish you guys could smell this. Oh, it smells so good. Spread a little bit of pesto on this last, one-handed, on this last crescent roll. That is way too much. There we go. That is a disaster right there. Fix that. Okay. And so we've got all the pesto, and the sausage is done. I'm going to spread some Miyoko's mozzarella on here and then throw the sausage on. Okay, so got the Miyoko's mozzarella. I'm going to just drop some on here. Like I said, this is my first time trying this, so I don't know if this is going to be too much filling or what, but I'm going to try it out and see if I can even roll them up. I don't know. Now I'm going to add about a few pieces onto the bottom of these crescent rolls. Ow, this is hot. So these are the crescent rolls. I'm about to roll them up, but I wanted to show you what they looked like before I rolled them, and I'm hoping that they will fit. They're kind of stuffed, so let's see how it goes. Mixing up some Follow Your Heart vegan egg into some cold water to brush onto the tops of the crescent rolls. So I'm going to attempt to do this one-handed, but I'm going to brush each one with a little egg wash. And I'm going to sprinkle some of the Parmesan cheese. All right, I'm gonna bake them at 375 for probably like 15 minutes or so. So the crescent rolls have been in the oven now for 15 minutes at 375, so I'm gonna check them and see how they look. I'll burn myself doing this. Wow, look at these. They look so good. Look at that cheese, that Miyoko's melting beautifully, the Parmesan on top. Oh my God, these look good. So now I need to let these cool off a little bit so I can make them look pretty there and bring them over to my little photography station. Let's see how this goes. So the photo shoot's over and I've already tasted them, but I want you to see they came out so good. I'm so excited to share this recipe with you. I know that the Beyond Meat sausages aren't available everywhere yet. If you're in an area that you're lucky enough to grab them, grab them. These things are incredible. If not, you could substitute filet roast until they're available. But I think these might be the best things I've ever made. I can't even believe how good these are. Stupid. They're so good. I'm gonna post the recipe on my website very soon. So I'm feeling like today literally couldn't have gone any better. Woke up, went to a vegan French bakery that's opening here in Miami with amazing fresh croissants and the pain au chocolat. You saw all of it. Made some Beyond Meat sausage crescent rolls that literally might be the best thing I've ever made. I don't know how to make this day better, but I'm going to chill out a little bit for now. I'm gonna have my big cup of kombucha, ginger lemon from Health Aid, and then I'm probably gonna force myself to go on a run because I'm trying to get back in shape. I've kind of fell off a little bit between like traveling and stuff, so I've been working out the past few days and I'm gonna try to keep that up and just go for a little run and maybe a little stretch with some yoga, and that's about it.